All right, here we go. We have another element here. This is a 2003 all-wheel drive, and she's a little dirty, right, Aunt? Right. Uh, so I need to change out the door actuator. Let me show you guys that real quick. And if you're not familiar with it, it's right in here. So we got to take the complete door card off, and let me show you guys here that so I get it open one hand, and this is the actuator. That is what we need to change right there, this right here. Yeah, so because the doors will lock and unlock the other doors with the key fob, but this one won't activate. Yeah, that's it. So we just got to take this apart real quick. Oh, let me take this off so I won't lose it. Set it over there. And the Mentos, keep your breath fresh. And let's get this off real quick. All right, you start. It's a panel right here with two Phillips screws in it. You just pop this off here, and you just take them out. And it's one more Phillips screw that's in here. Sometimes, depending on if the car speaker's been replaced, they put screws behind here too. That's a rarity. And the other screw, it's right here. 99% of the time, if it's an older element, they already broken. Every element I worked on, they're all broken. I think people forget about that they're there and they just break them out. Oh, but this one is here. So we just got that. Speaker cover is very easy to get off. Just pull it, comes right on off. Ooh, these speakers is destroyed, like bad. And just unplug it. Yeah, look at that. There's no more cone on it. I mean, the cone is there, but the other part is not. And then the next part is very easy. You just pull on it. Now, sometimes I have to remove this and sometimes I don't. But in this situation, this one's kind of broken already. Yeah, it's pretty broken. Probably could fix that. And then you have a clip here that holds on the rod. If I could get it off. Okay. And then just unplug it. Kind of forgot what was holding it. Kind of don't necessarily have to unplug everything from here because we're not totally removing it, but if you had to, you could. But what we would need is behind here. All right, so got that somewhat undone. Now I just got to, I think I gotta remove this track here. Let's see what happens. The window shouldn't fall. pop this off here. And broke it. Good thing I got some more. I know it's a rod in here somewhere. I gotta pop out. There we go. Now, if I can just sneak it behind this railing here, but I don't think that's going to happen. Unless I can go down with it. Problem is this here. Let me see if I can get it all the way down in there. All right. All right, got that off. Oh, idiot. I forgot the door latch. There we go. Jeez. She's coming. Let's move this so I won't break it. Awesome. That's it. All right, so I got it out, and this is what we need to change and put this one in. This one here. I'm not sure how to get it out, but we're gonna both figure it out together. I think this has to probably be pried up, maybe. Let me look at the other one real quick. Yeah, it's got to be pried up. So, oh, I gotta take this off. That's what it looks like. Please don't be no spring or anything. Honestly, I never changed one of these actuators, not on an Element. I changed on a Civic, which is pretty much almost the same. Need to pry this off here. There we go. And then open this back up here. Now let's see if it'll pop out. Oh, there it goes. Oh, well, I think it's supposed to come. I think that's supposed to come out too, but I broke it. Well, good thing I'm replacing it. And this one is to pry up. Uh-oh. See, that's what I didn't want to happen. There. I don't even remember why this went on there. But let's put the new one on. And I know that it has to line, this right here has to line up with that. So oh, and this part's still in there. Let's see if I could get that out. I'm gonna have to find something else smaller. 1 second. And let's see if this will work. There. Ooh, perfect. All right. So I think I got it lined up. Yeah, there we go. Now this the part I wasn't sure about which way this goes. I want to say it probably went in like that. Maybe. All right, so we got it back together. I double checked, make sure that works. This goes up and down somewhat. Alrighty. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Make sure that. Also, whoop, take the keys just in case. Sure that opens. And the thing with it is that the way that these work, once you completely lock it and you press the button again, your horn will sound. This lets you know that it's locked. And then when you press the lock button one time, it only unlocks this door. If you notice, that door is still locked, but if I press unlock again, it opens. So that's it. I'm replacing that doohickey. It's a pain. I'm not even gonna lie. It wasn't easy whatsoever. But I'll do it again. Let me make sure I got these screws tight. I didn't check those. Okay. Yeah. Good to go. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. Didn't get on the black element. I tried. I'll probably work on that tomorrow. Orange one is done. I got a roof rack to put on tomorrow. Gray one, nothing wrong with it. I think I need an oil change. Yeah, it's probably doing an oil change for probably in 500 miles. It needs an oil change. Green one, I'm working on those fog lights one day. I'm not sure when, but I'm working on them. And then the other gray one. We finally got the door lock and everything done on that. The key fob is working. The door lock is working like it's supposed to. So Anthony's a happy camper, and he just picked this up. We waiting on a bumper. We're gonna get a new bumper, headlights, and I think we already got fog lights already, and there's some other like little small things we have to do. But other than that, that is it for today. I will bring another video to you guys. I'm beat right now. Like always, I'm tired. But that's it. I don't have anything else but the work on the black element tomorrow morning. I'm just going to check all the suspension. I probably won't check it. I'll probably just go ahead and replace it because I have it all. It's best to replace it and then it to go bad and you got to come back and work on it again. So I don't want to do that. I am going to paint the bumper. I haven't got the paint yet. I'm very procrastinating on that because when I get off of work, they're only over for 30 minutes and it takes me 30 minutes to get there. So it's hard. It's hard. So I'll probably have to try to go there one day when I'm off so I can get the paint. And that's it. If you guys have any questions or anything, I will list the part numbers for the door lock actuator down in the description below. It's going to be on my Amazon store, and I think that's it. So if you guys have anything at all, any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to ask. I will answer the questions as soon as possible. And thank you so much. And you guys take care, and please comment, like, subscribe. Oh, one other thing. I'm gonna put right here. Check out my friend Gil Made. He's an upcoming YouTuber. He deals with scooters, like high-end scooters, and they're awesome. And I'm on the way of building one. I started the whole process. Pretty sure some of you guys may have seen it already. If not, I'll put a picture right here. But that is, I'm not filming that build right now because I'm still learning about it. So once I get that one done, then I will probably film and build the next one, and probably hope we could collaborate with Gilmade and me, working together on building a scooter one day. I'm gonna try to get him here to do the audio, because I have no idea. That's his expertise. That's his number one there. So maybe next year, sometime in the beginning of next year, hopefully I can get him here and do the whole audio on it. But until then, guys, thank you so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.